Though it's disappointing that Samsung Galaxy S26 might not bring any big camera hardware change, but Samsung is quietly preparing something far more futuristic for the Galaxy S27 series. A new report from South Korea reveals that Samsung is developing an all-new smartphone camera sensor with a global shutter, a technology normally found only in high-end professional cameras. And if everything goes as planned, this breakthrough sensor could debut on Samsung's next big flagship lineup in 2027. Now, here's why this is a huge deal. Most phones today, including the best flagships, use rolling shutter sensors, which scan the scene line by line. That's why fast-moving subjects can appear warped or distorted, and video sometimes suffers from that jello effect. But a global shutter captures every pixel at the exact same moment, meaning zero distortion, perfect motion capture, and a major upgrade for action shots, sports photography, and high-speed video. This is the same tech used in industrial machines and professional cameras that film Formula One cars or inspect conveyor belts with extreme precision. According to the report, Samsung's new sensor features 1.5 micron pixels arranged in a 2x2 formation and comes in at 12 megapixels. That 12 megapixel resolution makes it likely for use as either the telephoto sensor or the ultra-wide camera on the Galaxy S27 series. On top of that, Samsung is reportedly adding embedded analog-to-digital converters inside each pixel, which dramatically speeds up how quickly the sensor can capture and process images. In simple words, this could allow near-instant capture even in fast-moving scenes. And Samsung isn't alone in this race. Apple is also working on bringing global shutter sensors to future iPhones. But if Samsung manages to commercialize it first, the Galaxy S27 series could mark one of the biggest camera technology jumps we've seen in years, especially since the S26 series staying relatively unchanged. So, the big question now is this: is the era of shutter distortion finally ending for smartphones? And if global shutter becomes the new standard, will Samsung or Apple get there first? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.